Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 2, leçon P. And in this lesson, we'll discover la situation de famille. So if you want to say what is your situation, your personal situation, then that's the correct lesson to watch now. Let's start. Je suis célibataire. So I know that many of you will laugh when they will see this beautiful célibataire word. It doesn't have any other indication but the fact that you are single. Okay, so if you want to say that you are single, whether it's the masculine form or the feminine form, it will be like that. Je suis célibataire. I am single. Okay, second option. J'ai un copain. Okay, boyfriend would be copain. Okay, and then it's the feminine form here. Girlfriend, copine. J'ai, so j'ai, I have, okay, j'ai un copain. I have a boyfriend. J'ai un copain. Féminin, j'ai une copine. I have a girlfriend. J'ai une copine. Okay? So if you're in couple, en couple, je suis, I am, je suis en couple. Je suis en couple. So here you want to indicate that you are living with someone, but then you're not married, okay? Je suis en couple. You can make the liaison here. Je suis en couple, okay? And then fiancé, engaged, all right? And then here you've got the masculine form. I've been putting here the feminine form, all right? So you will have to add this at the end of fiancé, but then you don't pronounce it phonetically. Whether it's masculine or feminine, it will still be fiancé. Okay, so if a man is talking, he will say je suis fiancé. If a woman is speaking, she will say je suis fiancé. Okay, so phonetically it will sound exactly the same, but if they write that, they will have to write e, only one e here with the accent. Okay, and then for the masculine form, sorry, and then for the lady, she will have to put this at the end. All right. So marié is married. Je suis marié. Okay, so the same rule as for fiancé. Marié, so just like that, if it's the masculine form. Okay, with at the end if it's the feminine form, but still it will be pronounced the same way. Je suis marié. Divorcé, well, it looks the same and it's divorced, okay? Je suis divorcé, same rule. Final if it's feminine, but you don't pronounce it. Je suis divorcé. And the last one, widow, so masculine form and feminine form. Je suis veuf. Veuf, so remember to pronounce the final F, veuf, and then the feminine form, je suis veuve, veuve, veuve. Okay, so let's repeat them one more time. Je suis célibataire, j'ai un copain, j'ai une copine, je suis en couple, je suis fiancé, je suis marié, je suis divorcé, je suis veuf, je suis veuve. Okay, so now you can present your family situation. Okay, it was leçon P, so you can find the next lesson and the previous lessons at the following address here, and then we've got the website here, imagier.net. Have a great day. Bye-bye.